OutSystems, we would like to talk about what is a modern application platform for the cloud. So let's kick it off. One of the things that I discuss a lot with customers is why is it so hard for them to modernize their application portfolio? How is it hard for them to keep up with innovating their software? And what are some of the things that are really troubling them that are preventing them, in a lot of cases, from being more innovation focused with their software footprint? So first and foremost, there's obviously people problems. Talent is short. Talent, especially with version technology changes, is significant and persistent. Not only that, but process is really a big key issue as well. There's so many more constituents putting down different governance and security policies to the types of application footprints that we put out. And the technology is shifting very, very quickly. Like, you know, we see Kubernetes is coming into the realm as being the default dial tone for modern applications. We see AI and ML coming into more development processes. And not only that, but we've got an existing footprint of legacy applications or technology burden that we really need to think about updating and making more modern. So if we think about all of these different challenges that organizations are facing, that can actually lead to a whole lot of stuff that needs to be done and not a lot of time to do it in. And in many cases, it's leading to a lot of frustration, and organizations have a hard time really deciding where to put their time and their priority. So our intent is to show you what OutSystems is. It's one platform for everything modern application development wise for anybody, whether that be a citizen developer, whether that be a business analyst, or whether that be the most hardcore DevSecOps team out there. And you can start anywhere that your business desires you to start, whether that be launching new customer experiences, whether that be delivering new process automation, or going through and actually reducing that burden from those legacy applications and footprints that you're supporting. So I'm Jacob Bogie. You can call me Jake if you like. I work with our customers and our cloud service providers at OutSystems, specifically helping manage our relationship with AWS and helping our customers get the most out of AWS and OutSystems. I started working in this field back in about 1997 when things really started getting serious with the dot-com bubble. I'm based in Connecticut, so East Coast, if you need me to stop by or say hi sometime, I definitely will. And one of the main things that I like to do is really seek out complexity and find ways of simplifying it for everybody. So let's talk about OutSystems. Our mission is really to give anybody and everybody the power to innovate. We do it through a platform that includes low code and in some cases no code technologies that'll help you build applications faster and also manage the life cycle of those applications once they're built. So it's a platform that truly delivers a way for you to build and develop your applications, maintain the life cycle of those applications, and run them in a stable, secure, and scalable manner. We like to look at it as the modern application platform for the cloud. And we tend to give our customers an idea of some of the things that they can achieve with OutSystems by talking about the 3 Bs: building apps fast, building them right, and also building them for the future. So if we think about it, building fast, that's all about enabling serious productivity, whether that be your platform teams, making it easier for them to run and operate a platform and deliver the types of application integrations that the developers need, whether that be building it right, so understanding requirements and understanding NFRs and being able to kind of come together with a holistic approach to deliver a modern application set, and also building for the future. We look at it as being able to deliver applications consistently and stay fast and ahead of the innovation curve so that you're never caught behind. And in a lot of cases, if you think about fast, right, and for the future, a lot of organizations will give away one of those things because they really can't handle all 3 at the same time. With OutSystems, we look at those challenges that our customers have in building fast, building right, and building for the future. And we really look at 4 different places that we can help those organizations excel and get back in front of the innovation curve. The first obviously being in transforming how they interact with their customers, whether that be direct to consumer, B2C, business to business, or heck, even just how do you overall increase your Net Promoter Score through the applications and experiences that you give your customers? The other is through workplace innovation, being able to evolve and adapt today's modern workplace, whether that be in the home, on the phone, on the tablet, or on the computer, so that your employees have got the best possible working experience, the best possible applications that they would need, and to be able to give them the confidence that they're working someplace where the innovation is far outpacing the technology burden that they've had in the past. We also look at process automation, things that are typically mundane or typically would need some form of scripting or something else. And we just want to be able to take that, put it into a platform, and just automate it so that we don't ever have to worry about it again. And really front of mind for a lot of CIOs and a lot of business owners is how do they actually modernize to reduce their infrastructure cost or to take full advantage of the public cloud and simplify what they're doing and deliver the best experience possible. We've got the trust of many customers across the globe in helping them deliver that modern application platform that they need to succeed. And let me show you why. So first and foremost, we've been partners with AWS since 2007. Now, 2007, we started working with AWS, looking to adapt and build new applications for customers on the cloud, but things really got interesting just last year. We at OutSystems were announced as one of 20 unique customers and unique partners to AWS to take part in their Restack program. So we've got an opportunity that is really unique to us to help organizations adapt to AWS and build their modern application footprint distinctly on AWS. It really is a platform that enables both the runtime and the platform services that you need to deliver automation, modern applications, and plug into existing services and applications that you may already have in your real estate. So we've powered the entire OutSystems platform on AWS. So whether that be you need to do full stack application development or the lifecycle management of that development, it's all run on an AI-powered platform, the OutSystems platform, running on top of AWS. And you've got a couple of choices in how you can actually take on the platform. We've got a software as a service or a platform as a service offering that is distinctly built and run on AWS. Or we've got a hybrid model where you can take on the OutSystems platform into your own data center or install it into your own VPC in AWS if you so choose to do so. It really is a way to accelerate and modernize how you develop software. We see much faster returns from our development teams that are using the OutSystems platform in being able to deliver full stack applications and manage the lifecycle of those apps. And not only that, but they're delivering fantastic touch points to their customers, whether that be reactive web apps, whether that be mobile, native apps on iOS and Android, or even progressive web apps. And we don't stop at the apps or the web apps either. We can build true to nature APIs and microservices and run them on the OutSystems platform. It really is a one-stop shop for being able to do full stack development, integrated and extended into your existing footprint, manage the entire life cycle of the DevOps delivery of those applications, and do it in a way that really inspires the experience that your customers and your end users will use. We do it where it's scalable, secure, performant, and gives you that ability to have a flexible deployment model no matter how you choose to take it on. So full stack, let's talk about that real quick. Everything from the UI to the application logic, the underlying process, and even the data can all be manipulated, governed, and built in a visual way that provides artificial intelligence and machine learning prompts and help along the way, speeding up your application development. We can integrate and extend into all forms of software as a service, platform as a service, and even integrate into existing footprint that you might have in your data center, whether that be databases, CRMs and ERP systems, or you could just build your own integrations directly into OutSystems to other technologies you may already have. And we also offer what's called a Forge marketplace. It's an open source community to where you can go and download integrations that others have built and leverage the same for yourself. True full life cycle management of the applications in the platform. It is a true CI/CD method of delivering and managing the life cycle of those platforms and those apps. You can add in full feedback from your users. You can deliver governance into the logic and flows as well. It's really an interesting way of looking at how you can manage the experience of all of the applications that you're building and delivering for your customers, for your employees, and for your future. So moving on, let's talk about how OutSystems can actually deliver some of the best experiences that the market has seen. We're rated obviously very high in the multi-experience development platform quadrant from Gartner. Not only that, but we've also got a very good leading edge in low-code application platform ratings as well. And if you think about it, ratings are great and all, but really what it comes down to is when we think about our customers and their reviews and their word of mouth, we are the most highly recommended low-code and multi-experience platform out there. And you'll see that our customers truly enjoy working with the OutSystems platform and making their application experience even better. So hopefully I've given you a good idea of what we do at OutSystems, a brief introduction to how we can help your organization, but not only that, made up a little bit of time here for Ron and the team too as well to get back on schedule. So feel free anytime to reach out to me if you have any questions or comments. Not only that, but try OutSystems for free. You can get a free account in our software as a service and platform as a service offering. You can build your own applications with no holds barred, no time limits. It's a free environment for you to have and use to understand what we can do. And not only that, visit us, learn more, reach out anytime. Thanks for having me.
Jacob, that was fantastic.